Hello once again, this is Uncle Jimmy, Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures, and today me and my son stayed here in Beaver Falls, Pennsylvania at a motel, a Ramada by Wyndham. It was a pretty nice motel, got a free breakfast, the beds were very comfortable. So we was just here for one night, and we're going to go film some more stuff this weekend and do some more videos and stay one more night. But today we're on another great adventure, and we're asking you to follow us. And if you're watching this, we ask you please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Give it a thumbs up for the video, and feel free to leave comments, suggestions as always. Got the appropriate shirt on today. It says good night Jason, good night Elizabeth, good night Daddy, good night John Boy. And I got the blue shirt on, and my son over there for us, he's got the yellow one on. It says the same thing. And we're going to a Waltons reunion meet and greet autograph session. And for you that's familiar with the Waltons, you'll remember the 70s TV show The Waltons, about a family in Virginia, about a boy who wants to be a writer named John Boy. And it was called The Waltons, and it took place in Schuyler, Virginia, and we've been there. And I'm asking, if you're watching this video, go to my YouTube channel and check out the Waltons videos, part 1 and 2, where me and my wife actually went and stayed at the bed and breakfast there in Schuyler called John and Olivia's. It's exact replica of the TV set Walton's House, for you Waltons fans out there like me. And it was a show that I watched when I was a kid. It had a lot of family values. My two favorite shows, I always say, when I was a kid from my generation, which is Generation X, was The Waltons and Little House on the Prairie. Both very good TV shows with family values. But we're going to a meet and greet here in Portersville, Pennsylvania. We're up by Pittsburgh, close to Ohio borderline, and close to Lake Erie, actually. And it's at a pumpkin patch farm called Chessman's Farm. And there was going to be 5 of the actors, but one canceled. So 4 of them's going to be there. Kimmy Cotter played Elizabeth. Mary McDowell, which played Aaron. I can't remember Ben's real name, but he's going to be there. The guy that played Ben. And then, of course, Cindy, his wife on the show, the Waltons, is going to be there. That actress, and I can't remember her name. Sorry about that. But John Carter, the character John Carter, or was it John? It was Elizabeth's boyfriend. He was supposed to be there, and I think he might have canceled. We'll see when we get there. But there's 4 of them, and the autographs are really reasonable. They're $10 for autographs, $20 if you get them to sign their name onto an 8x10 that they sell, $10 for selfies. So I'm planning on getting all their autograph selfies. I got the book called Goodnight John Boy, which was signed by Earl Hamner Jr. I have, and I'm also going to have them sign in that book to make it more valuable. Yeah, we're going to do that, and we're also filming some disaster videos of things that happened in PA that took a lot of lives. Yesterday we was at the 9/11 Memorial and filmed Flight 93, and I want to apologize for that video. I said 9/11/2000. I believe it was in 2001 that happened. So I said 2000, but yeah, it's been 23 years this year that happened, and we went and filmed that. We're also going to go film another video on the Kalamazoo Bridge disaster, which a tornado took out in the 80s. It was the tallest standing railroad bridge, one of them in the United States, that you can actually go out so far on one side and view over, and part of the bridge is still left in the valley. And then we're going to go to another disaster called Austin Dam, which only killed about 97 people when that dam collapsed. We'll do the history of that and show you that. We've been to Johnstown, where the big dam disaster in the early 1900s, it killed like 1,700 people, but this one still killed only 96, but still is a tragedy. And then we're going to go to do another video, and we're going to film in Punxsutawney, PA, where they do the Groundhog Day every day, February the 2nd. Tell you a little history of that, show you around town, and go to Gobbler's Knob, where Phil and Phyllis live, and we'll get to see Phil and Phyllis today, and the actual groundhog Phil that they use, and Gobbler's Knob's where they do Groundhog's Day, where he comes out if he sees a shadow or not. And explore the town a little bit, and they got some statues there. It's pretty cool of groundhog and different characters. So we're going to see that between today and tomorrow. These are the things we're up here filming. So I hope you enjoyed this video today of the Waltons meet and greet, and hopefully you'll like it. So follow us on this adventure today as we go to the Waltons meet and greet. Follow us. Well, folks, we're here and we're at the Cheeseman Farm. It's not as crowded as I thought, which is good. Down there is the little hay ride, and they do a haunted attraction at night, and they got food down there. We're gonna get some lunch here before we head on to the next adventure. And they got hot dogs, pizza, pumpkin pie. So we're just waiting, because right now it's the VIPs, and there's people here from Ohio, Florida, I see, Illinois, all over the country. So you can see it ain't that crowded right now. They're just doing the VIPs. Right there's the tent where the actors from the Waltons are, and a little line there, and they got a little backdrop there of the Waltons, and that they're going to do a photograph with the Waltons house. I see Ben walking around in there, and I seen Aaron go to the bathroom earlier. I don't know how about they are about filming, so I'm not trying to get too close, but I'm just giving you a little view. The VIPs right now are having their meet and greet, and we got a paper, or our ticket's at 11 o'clock, so we'll wait till 11 before we go in and get our autographs. But yeah, we're here, we're a little early. That's all right. They're doing the meet and greet now at the VIP, so follow us on this adventure. Well, we finally got in line, and we're 11 o'clock, but VIPs are toward the front. Got Elizabeth sitting over there. Can we?
Okay, that's fine. VIPs done first.
Aaron in there. And once the VIPs get through, then we'll go through and get our autographs. And starting to get crowded, more people showing up. So follow us on this adventure. Well, we're still waiting in line. We're getting closer. Waiting to get our autographs. Line's moving a little slow. Got other Walton fans. You guys mind being on YouTube? Or?
No, I don't care.
How long have you been watching the Waltons, sir?
Ever since it came up.
Yeah, and you're still watching it, right?
Still watching it.
What has it been, 50 years, I think,
Yep.
since it aired?
Yep, I do.
The best
52.
show going.
Oh, yeah.
1972.
And that's what we were just discussing. There's not too many good shows on with family values anymore besides the Waltons, Little House on the Prairie, shows like that.
Yep.
It's amazing that they still have this many fans and people coming to get autographs. It is.
One of the
So where are you guys from?
We're from Western Pennsylvania, around the
Yeah.
Irwin area.
I was looking, there's license plates here from Florida, Ohio, all over Indiana. Are you? I'm originally from Ohio. Hillsboro, Ohio is where I'm originally from. Yeah. Columbus, an hour above me, yeah.
I love to come here and watch that golf tournament they have there.
But, yeah, we're just waiting and talking to other Waltons fans, and I mean, there's some young ladies here too. Where are you from?
West Virginia.
West Virginia, and they're Waltons fans, so it just goes to show you the parents and the grandparents show the kids the shows, and they like them, and they end up becoming fans.
That's what happens.
Yeah. Have you ever been to Skyler?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
many times.
Stay at the bed and breakfast? It's awesome.
Many times.
It's like being on this TV set. I was so excited when we were there.
Yes.
It's beautiful.
It is.
And Carol is just wonderful.
Right. Nice family that runs it too.
Yes. Yes. They're great.
So we even walked back to Priscilla's Pond and filmed that down over the hill. It's right behind the bed and breakfast. There's a path there.
Down over there.
So all that stuff really happened. I mean, Earl Hamner's ashes was spread there at the dam. Some of his ashes there when he died.
Yeah, we really like it down there.
They even had Ike's, the original Ike's.
Yes.
I guess the original one burnt down, is what I was
Yes.
told. And the schoolhouse with the museum, that was really neat.
Across the road there.
Did you get food at Ike's?
Nah, we just,
The food is fantastic.
really?
Yeah. Yeah.
I think we went into, what was it we went in? What was they always talking about? Charlestown or something on the show, or Scottsville. So we went over in there, and me and my wife, and nah, there isn't. But I like did you see the little railroad house?
Oh, the little post office.
The post office, yeah, that was on the show, Rockfish, yes.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, we've done it all.
Yeah.
I was just saying on my channel here that it's amazing there's still that many fans after all these years. It's been almost 50 years.
Yes.
So yeah, we're just talking to some other fans, and like I said, there sits Tammy over here, played Elizabeth, and Cindy's in here, I've seen, and Ben. And so follow us on this adventure as we do the Waltons meet and greet. So we got Cindy over there and Ben sitting at the table. We're getting closer, and line's getting shorter finally. So getting close to get our autographs. And Aaron just walked by earlier and said hi to everybody. Mary, I think her name's Mary. Her real name is Mary. So be up here shortly to get our autographs. So follow us on this adventure. So we're getting closer, and there's Mary that played Aaron. They're in a rusty collar jacket. Got merchandise for sale too, different things. Fans, calendars, dish towels, mittens. There's Ben. Cindy sitting next to him, and then you got Elizabeth sitting over at that table behind the lady in the white. We're gonna get photos and a couple signatures. Then we're gonna go down and have some lunch. My son's wanting a pumpkin pie. So yep, follow us on this adventure. We'll show you what we got autographed too at the end. So I hope you're enjoying this adventure, the Waltons meet and greet. Follow us. A little bit closer now. There's Elizabeth, Tammy, Ben and Cindy over there. And there's Aaron over there. So we're getting closer to get our autographs here soon. Then we'll show you what we got. So follow us on this adventure. Well, folks, we got our autographs, and all the actors and actresses were pleasant and took their time with us. As you can see, the line's getting a lot longer now. We're getting ready to go down and get us a bite to eat for lunch down here, and then head to our next hotel and do some more filming. But I wanted to show you our haul, what we got here on this adventure, the Waltons meet and greet. So we got Erin here, got her autograph. Mary McDowell played Erin, and we got Ben's, and then we got Cindy, his wife, on the show. And we also got Cammy Calder that played Elizabeth. They were the four that was here. That's the only ones that were here. And we also, I got this book in Schuyler, Virginia when I was there. Goodnight John Boy signed by Earl Hamner Jr. right there, and then I had the cast also sign it. Their signatures right there, and there's a photograph of Earl signing the book. So he's the author of the Waltons. So we got that done, and so I ask you, follow us on this adventure. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video, the Waltons meet and greet. We just went in and we ate some walking tacos, and my son said he wished he got another one. We ate a big piece of pumpkin pie with whipped cream on it. It's pretty good, huh? Mm-hmm. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This has been Uncle Jimmy, Jimmy's Train Station Travel Adventures. Ask you again, please subscribe if you haven't. Give the video a thumbs up. Like it. Feel free to leave comments and suggestions as always. And hope you enjoyed this, and go out and have your own adventures and enjoy life. Till next time, it's been Uncle Jimmy, Jimmy's Train Station Travel Adventures. Goodbye.
Bye.